Step 1. Add the style sheet to the section. Include the following tag inside your website's head section to load the required styles. This ensures the widget appears correctly with the intended design. Step 2. Insert the widget container. Place this div element wherever you want the Proxy-Cheap widget to be displayed on your page. You can modify these attributes to fit your needs. Step 3. Add the script at the end of body. To ensure smooth loading, add this tag just before the closing body tag. If you look to the image on screen, you can see the specific commands necessary to control the elements with specificity, ranging from languages to even setting up a referral code entry point within the widget as you see fit. Here's how your final HTML structure should look. This will insert the proxy widget into your website, allowing users to configure and purchase proxies directly from your platform. Configuring proxy parameters. Depending on the proxy type, you can modify the widget to predefine proxy settings. Here are the supported configurations. 1. Residential and mobile proxies. When setting up a proxy order via our checkout system, you can specify two key parameters. 1. Proxy type selection. The network type parameter allows you to choose the type of proxy network you want. Mobile orders. A mobile proxy package using real mobile carrier IPs. Residential orders. A rotating residential proxy package using real household IPs. 2. Bandwidth. Data allocation in GB. The bandwidth parameter defines the amount of data you want to allocate to your proxy package, measured in gigabytes. Static residential proxies. Available parameters. If unused proxy, if you choose true, it orders a brand new unused proxy. If you choose false, it chooses a previously assigned proxy. Second parameter. IP version, currently supporting IPv4. Third parameter, instead of country names, use ISO country codes. Fourth parameter, ISP, it must be chosen by its unique ID as shown in the video. Data center IPv4 proxies. Available parameters. Currently supports IPv4 only. Country, choose a specific country where your data center proxies will be located. Use ISO country codes instead of full names. Quantity defines the number of data center proxies in the order. Time period, choose the rental duration. Data center IPv6 proxies. Available parameters. IP type currently supports IPv6 only. Country, choose from the available countries where your data center proxies will be located. Use ISO country codes instead of full names. Package, these proxies are available in fixed packages. Time period, currently only supports 1 month rental.